Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do grid lines thicker in Excel. First, you are going to open your document and you will see the lines with their normal size. You are going to click in the upper left corner to select the entire sheet. After this, display the border options and click on More Borders. Now you are going to click on the border style you will use. When you select it, check each of the boxes so that the entire Excel cell is completed. Click OK and you can see the thicker lines on the spreadsheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.